Deep in the darkness of summer night, a tiny creature creates something that human civilization has spent centuries trying to achieve. A perfect light. No electricity. No batteries. No wires. No heat. No wasted energy. This is not a machine built in a laboratory. It is not powered by advanced technology. It is a creature smaller than a coin, a firefly. And hidden inside this tiny body is one of the most efficient lighting systems ever discovered on Earth. A biological technology so advanced that modern science still struggles to reproduce it. For thousands of years, humans have searched for better ways to create light. From candles to gas lamps to electric bulbs and finally modern LEDs. We have built enormous industries. We have created advanced materials. We have developed powerful computers to optimize energy efficiency. Yet, one problem has always remained. Creating light means creating waste. Traditional incandescent bulbs reveal this limitation clearly. Most of their energy does not become light. It becomes heat. The glowing filament inside the bulb reaches extreme temperatures. Because humans must force matter to release photons through intense energy input. The result? A bright light, surrounded by invisible energy loss. But in nature, one tiny insect solved this problem millions of years ago. A firefly does something extraordinary. It creates what scientists call cold light inside its abdomen. A carefully controlled chemical reaction transforms energy directly into photons. The process uses several key ingredients. Luciferin, the molecule that produces light. Luciferase, the enzyme that controls the reaction. Oxygen, and ADP, the energy currency inside living cells. Unlike human-made bulbs, the firefly does not burn. It does not heat itself. It does not waste enormous amounts of energy. Almost every unit of chemical energy is converted into visible light. The efficiency is astonishing. If a firefly produced light with the same waste level as a traditional bulb, a single flash would generate enough heat to destroy its own body. But nature found another solution. Instead of using violent energy release, the firefly carefully guides chemical reactions. Step by step, electrons move into an excited state. Then, when they return to normal, they release energy as a gentle yellow-green glow. Almost no unnecessary heat is created. But the firefly is not simply a biological flashlight. That description is far too simple. It is a complete living lighting system. The insect controls when to shine, how brightly to shine, how often to flash, and how long each flash lasts. Inside its body exists a network of specialized structures, chemical production systems, oxygen delivery channels, reflective biological surfaces, optical structures, and neural controls. A layer of tiny crystals beneath the light-producing cells acts like a biological mirror, redirecting light outward. The outer surface of the body contains microscopic structures that help photons escape efficiently. And the nervous system acts like a controller, deciding the timing of every flash. This is not random illumination. It is communication. A message written in light. A signal searching for a mate. A warning to predators. A conversation happening in darkness. Scientists can already recreate parts of this process. They can extract luciferin. They can produce luciferase. They can generate artificial bioluminescence in laboratories. But there is a major difference. Copying a chemical reaction is not the same as rebuilding the entire system. The firefly's ability does not come from one single molecule. It comes from thousands of perfectly coordinated biological components. Remove the oxygen control system and the reaction fails. Remove the reflective layer and the light becomes inefficient. Remove the neural control and the signal loses its purpose. The firefly is not a collection of separate parts. It is an integrated biological machine. And this is exactly what makes it so difficult to reproduce. Human engineers are excellent at building machines, but nature creates systems. Machines are assembled, living systems grow. A factory can produce a light bulb, but no factory on Earth can manufacture a living firefly. Imagine if humanity could fully understand the firefly's design. The impact could be revolutionary. Future lighting systems could become almost completely efficient. Electronic devices could reduce heat generation. Medical equipment could use safer cold light. Microscopes could observe delicate tissues without damaging them. Biological sensors could operate with new forms of energy. Communication systems could use biological light signals. And medicine could use engineered glowing molecules to precisely locate disease inside the human body. A tiny insect could inspire technologies that transform the future of humanity. But perhaps the most fascinating part of the Firefly is not how it creates light. It is the question hidden behind that light. How did such extraordinary precision emerge? How did chemistry, physics, information, and biological control come together inside a creature weighing less than a gram? Science continues searching for answers. Every discovery reveals another layer of complexity, and every layer raises new questions. The Firefly does not know it is extraordinary. It does not understand technology. It does not build machines. It simply continues its ancient dance beneath the stars. A tiny living signal floating through the darkness. A reminder that some of the most advanced technologies on Earth were not invented by humans. They were already here. And every flash of Firefly invites us to ask, are we only discovering the secrets of nature, or are we beginning to understand something much deeper about the universe itself?